See that? It says Save Brick Lane. Okay, so when people come to London, probably one of the first things that they are going to say is just how expensive everything is. It's expensive to live, it's expensive to eat. But today I'm headed over to it's a Japanese chain restaurant that recently opened up in London, and they boast a £3.45 udon noodle dish. And £3.45, that's not going to get you anything in London. Like fish and chips off of the street is going to be like probably £9 or £10. Like a sandwich is hardly £3.45. So that is why today I'm headed over to Marugame, and we're gonna go and check this out.
In my daydream, when I stop listening to my conscience, get lost in this nonsense again and again. She hangs on way too tight, like it's a dear life now. She'll probably run away, just come through tonight. I'll ruin my life with you, baby.
This is just some of the, I think they're all vegan, so. So I have the kamaage right here. So basically what a kamaage is it's basic. So you have your udon noodles in a bowl, and it's usually dry. They'll put in a couple teaspoons of like water or something just to keep it like nice and warm. But usually it's paired with a dipping sauce. So typical kamaage dipping sauces, they're usually made like with a dashi stock. So they'll usually be made with fish, soy sauce, maybe like some sake or maybe some mirin or something like that. But Marugame has it in the vegan version. So most likely it's probably with a little bit of seaweed. And I know what you guys are thinking. You're thinking like, oh, well, it's £3.45. It's just noodles and a sauce, right? But if you think about it, they make everything in-house. Like these noodles, they're freshly made, like literally minutes before I was going to eat them. Like they were making it, they were cutting it, they were, kneading the dough and cooking it. Really cool. So you have homemade, house-made, fresh udon noodles. Obviously, like the sauce and everything is homemade as well. We're in central London, so you can't get anything for £3.45. Like I think my sandwich at Pret was like £3.89. It's a nice like sit-in, eat-in spot. Although this is plain, you can add some of the fried vegetable tempura in. They'll have vegetable tempura, and then they also have some gyoza as well. And they're like around 95p, so like between like £1 to £3 that you can add on to your kamaage if you want. And then if you guys are finding this a little bit too plain, there's also different vegan options as well. So obviously they have their meat options, but I think for the vegan one, they had the curry udon, they had a kimchi like stir fry. I also think that they had curry rice as well. So if you're vegan and you're coming with non-vegan friends, you're definitely gonna have plenty of options. This is kind of the biggie here is, I was very excited to show you guys the noodles, but if you saw in line, we actually had, I already started eating some of it. The more amazing thing is that they have unlimited soft serve here. So for £2.35, you order their green tea soft serve, and even then you can get as much as you want. So I believe they have like bottomless free soft drinks, and then I think that there's like the peach iced tea that has the unlimited refill. But I really didn't know that. I mean, I had known about their soft serve, but I didn't know that they had a vegan option. So this one was coconut green tea. They had a vanilla, but the vanilla wasn't vegan. The green tea flavor is not too heavy, which I like a lot of green tea, but it's not too heavy. And it kind of has like a marshmallowy, fruity flavor to it. So it's interesting though. It's interesting and it's not bad. In addition to kind of all of the toppings that you can add, they also have a condiments station. So, you know, your normal like soy sauces, sesame, and all of that, but you can also get like ginger. And then this is really cool. This is the tenkazu. You can see that. So basically, it's very much a no-waste culture, because after you fry the tempura, you get these little bits left over, and these little bits are actually nice and crunchy, and it's seasoned as well. So it goes really well just right in the sauce with the udon as well. And I asked the staff, because originally I was worried that they had just taken like the general pile of leftover tempura bits, but because they fry, you know, like meats as well. But the staff actually said that they're vegan. So I'd say that this was actually a pretty cool experience, like probably 30 seconds away from Liverpool Street Station, so it's a pretty central area. And they also have outdoor seating as well if you want to sit outside, and the udon is quite nice as well. It's like nice, it's nice and chewy. And so yeah, I mean, I guess that's it for me today. Hopefully you all enjoyed our little udon trip outing, and if you stop by London and you want something, you know, inexpensive and also like a nice place to eat at, yeah, definitely check out Marugame.